And now, CBS 21 News First Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Russell.
Well, with all the storm coverage this week, we forgot to pass along all this important information like this coming up. CBS 21 proud to team up with their friends at the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society this Saturday. Yeah, coming up in just 2 days, the Light the Night Walk in Harrisburg. This is the big one where they go out and we have the lighted balloons, and it just is a wonderful evening as we celebrate lives who have been touched by blood cancers. And it's a special evening. We're glad to be part of it, and a reminder that it's coming up this Saturday, November the 3rd. Takes place on City Island, so we hope to see you out there. Registration starts there. You see at 3:30, and then the remembrance ceremony at 4:30, and then the walk kicks off at 5:30. So join us on Harrisburg City Island this weekend. All right, First Warning Live Doppler HD does show a couple of little specks of precipitation. It hasn't been a whole lot if you've been outside today. It was enough just to be miserable, enough to maybe get the windshield wipers in a couple of spots. Here's Harrisburg. We're north and west there. You see this little piece of moisture kind of hanging out. So that's the deal. Mainly just cloudy, not a whole lot in the way of rain, just some spritzes here or there. Catch up with the river levels. Susquehanna at Harrisburg dropping now down to 8 feet tomorrow, 7 feet by Saturday. Same deal in Sunbury, also dropping. And there's the Juniata River at Newport, 9.7 down to 9.2 as we head into the weekend. So relief as rivers and creeks and streams get back to normal. Winds have mainly been out of the west today, but we warned you about this yesterday. The wind's picking back up as our system, which is way off into Canada now, is still affecting our weather. So now we're in a more of a westerly flow. 17-mile-per-hour winds in Lewistown. That just adds to our chill. We're in the 40s already. There's Lewistown at 47, and then you factor in a 10 or 15-mile-an-hour wind. It makes it feel really chilly. 49 in Harrisburg, 48 in Lancaster and York as well. So we widen things out. More of the same across the state. Low 40s just about everywhere. A little warmer for Philly at 50. Pittsburgh is 10 degrees warmer, hanging there at 40. But again, look at the winds out of the west at 12 miles per hour, 17-mile-per-hour wind in State College. So pretty much westerly winds. Why? Well, think about the rotation. The storm is way off to the north, so around that circular motion, we are in that westerly wind flow. So something like this as we bring it across the state here. And it's going to get colder, too, because look where that wind flow is coming from. Not only just from the west, but eventually from the northwest. And that's why we think more of a chill is in store, even as we clear out our system, as we get Sandy on out of here. 47 in Detroit, 40 in Pittsburgh. A little warmer as you go west from there, but we're not going to get that yet because this is our whole system. And think about that big, giant spin and all the way down into the Carolinas and especially along the spine of the Appalachians. You see that cloud cover just kind of hanging out as well. So here's the spin as I draw it out. Again, westerly winds for us, but what's going to happen is we're going to clear the way for more chilly air. So still kind of gloomy, even as we head into tomorrow. Very chilly air coming in as we speak, and then some clearing, I think, by later in the day tomorrow, and certainly for the weekend. But it's still going to take a little while to get this thing out of here, so really hanging around. Let's show you the hour-by-hour forecast. There's our storm. So here's Pennsylvania, bottom of your screen. There goes Sandy as it spins on out. It's that colder air that wants to move in. How cold? Well, check out the blue. That indicates some snowfall. We may get into our first lake effect snow here. Check it out near Erie and upstate New York as well. So much colder air sliding in even though the system pulls away. So that's going to be the deal as we still deal with some cloudiness tomorrow. A little more sunshine, though, I think, as we head through late in the day and into the weekend. But bottom line is we stay awfully cold. So mostly cloudy, rather chilly tonight. A little colder than last night. We'll touch into the upper 30s overnight. Then lots of clouds for at least the first half of the day, and then a bit breezy through the afternoon, 48. Same deal Saturday, sunshine and breezy, but check out the overnight lows down into the mid-30s. By Sunday, sunshine and right around 50, and we are still awfully chilly as we set the clocks back this weekend, fall back to standard time. Monday, clouds and sun, 48. As we get into Tuesday, I still think we're looking good. Mostly sunny as you head out to vote, 47. On Wednesday, clouds and sun, 45. Thursday, clouds and sun, 49. And I don't like to say this kind of stuff, but I will.
Uh-oh.
There's a little storm out in the eastern Atlantic starting to bruise. We're starting to pick up on the models Tuesday, Wednesday-ish next week.
Really?
Stays out to sea at this point.
Okay.
But I just want to point out that it's there because the last thing we need is another one of these storms. But could be a potential coastal storm. Right now, I think it's going to stay way to the east of us.
Nor'easter?
Yeah, storm.
I'm saying to stay way to the east of us right now.
All right, that's all he's saying.
Easter.
Regardless, he'll track it for us.
Yes.
All right, Tom, thank you.